guys! Welcome back to the vlog. So for today's video, share ko lang sa inyo yung mga highlights ng October ko na very ordinary lang naman, mga usual coffee runs and food trip with friends and family. So if you guys are interested sa mga isi-share ko, just please keep on watching. So we are starting with our quick brunch inside Okada, Manila. And we chose to dine here at Nono's. Favorite namin dito sa Nono's kasi affordable yung mga food options dito. And generally, masarap naman lahat. And we always dine here kapag wala na kaming maisip kung saan namin gusto kumain. So parang isa na yan sa mga no-brainer options for us. Perfect spot talaga dito kung gusto niyo ng mga nakakabusog na brunch or lunch or even dinner. Ayan, ang favorite ko dito guys is yung chicken and waffles nila. Kasi alam nyo naman siguro na mahilig talaga ako sa dessert. And kapag ito yung order, parang 2-in-1 na siya na meron akong chicken. And masarap din yung syrup para sa waffle nila. So ayun, parang main and dessert na siya for me. Ayan. Decent din yung selection nila ng cakes and other pastries. And I will recommend na itry nyo rin sa kanila yung chocolate peanut brittle nila. Super sarap nun guys. Medyo addicting siya. So ayun. And ayun, naka almost 5,000 pesos kami. But that's already for 6 persons. So after that good brunch, nag-take out lang din kami ng Randy's Donuts. Na for me, sakto lang. Parang medyo overrated siya guys. Masarap yung donuts nila and super laki. Pero I think I will still prefer Jayco or Krispy Kreme in terms of flavors. Ayan. Medyo crowded sa Okada that day kasi parang may raffle event. So ayan, as you can see, sobrang daming tao. May mahabang pila. So I suggest guys, if you're going to Okada to have some leisurely time, magpunta kayo ng mas maaga or siguro kung kaya ng weekdays ay mag-weekdays kayo. Ayun. Okay din magpunta ng medyo gabi na because they always have this colorful fountain show na free lang naman sa audience. Ayun. And by the way guys, since naka-garner kami ng more than 5,000 sa receipts sa mga stores inside Okada, nagkaroon kami ng chance to play their Blinko game. And may selected prizes from their gift or boutique shop na pwede mapanalunan. So, ayan. Yung sister ko, yung pinaglaro namin, dahil malas ako sa mga ganyang games, guys. Malas ako talaga, I swear. Charot! So, guys, yan. Nanalo kami ng notebook. Fast forward to another day at the office. Nothing special naman, nag-coffee run lang ako as usual sa Venice Grand Canal Mall na super lapit lang sa workplace ko as I've mentioned in my previous vlogs. And ayun guys, chill day lang naman siya, laid back, ordinary day. Ayun, I always enjoy my free time para mag-stroll dyan sa Venice Mall kasi maganda talaga yung vibe and very chill siya during weekdays and it's not as crowded. And another must do or must drink rather kapag nasa office kami is itong cocoa milk tea. Favorite namin yan ng mga colleagues ko. Parang tuwing may return to office day, lagi kaming nag-order niyan. So, ang favorite ko dyan is yung salty cream series nila. Ayun, very refreshing and indulgent din siya, guys. Ayan, sobrang peaceful ng Venice kapag gabi. And moving on to another day, another coffee run, another weekend, we decided to try something new here at SM North EDSA. Ayan, nakita namin ni April yung Muji Coffee. Una na pumasok lang kami dun sa boutique nila. Then we realized na, may coffee pala. I mean, cafe pala, opposite. So ayun, nag-decide kami na i-try siya. was a weekend guys nung nag-visit kami. So, expected na medyo big yung crowd sa cafe. And ayun, surprisingly, mura lang yung mga drinks nila when I checked. Ayan, you can see for yourself yung menu in a few seconds. So, nag-order lang kami ng dalawang iced latte nila and ay ang mga cookies nila na naka-wrap. Kasi unfortunately, wala na ng mga pastries when we ordered. Gusto sana namin itry yung cinnamon roll nila pero wala na siya guys. So, cookies na lang yung natira. And ayun. Tabang yung kape nila. Char! And guys, nung humingi kami ng sweetener para dun sa latte, ang binigay sa amin is yung brown sugar na granules talaga. So, parang wala rin siyang naitulong. So, ayun, mura lang siya pero it's not something na babalikan ko. Pero masarap yung cookies nila and parang lengua de gato na may peanut brittle yung almond cookies nila. Masarap siya guys. So, ayun, lumalabas na mga Christmas decorations sa mga malls. Ayan, guys. Which means gasto season na naman. Charot. So, ayun, since hindi kami masyadong nag-enjoy sa coffee ng Muji, nag-Starbucks na lang kami ni April sa favorite branch namin sa West Ave na kahit weekend, guaranteed na makakakuha ka ng seat. Generally, ayun. Masarap yung in-order ko na brookie cheesecake nila guys na limited edition food lang ata. Na by the time na ma-post ko tong vlog na to, I'm sorry hindi na yata siya available dahil Christmas food na yung mga ilalabas nila after this season ng pumpkin spice latte. Hello guys, so we are here in Glorieta, kasama ko si April. And magko-coffee-coffee lang kami here para maiba naman ang environment. Ayan. So, duman lang si April sa Marks & Spencer para mag-restock nung tinuro ko sa kanyang lotion na mabango which is yung China Blue. Try nyo siya guys if you haven't yet. So, naka 50 off na yung pastry sa Wildflower after 7 p.m. And it's kinda late. So, wala na kaming nakabutan guys. Ayan na lang. So, ayan guys, nag-take out lang kami ng pastries. And, medyo marami ako nabili. Tapos, 427.50 lang siya. So guys, we are here at Starbucks Reserve sa Greenbelt. Medyo maraming tao, pero maganda yung space. Parang medyo Okada vibes siya. So ayan guys, I ordered yung blueberry cheese pocket na dati ko pa gustong matry kaso sa Starbucks Reserve lang siya meron. So fortunately, available siya. So, na-order ko siya ngayon. And itong mahirap i-pronounce na pastry nila, which is Queen Amman. Yan. And that is it for this quick coffee run / food trip vlog na hindi masyadong exciting, I know. This is just my usual days in Manila, guys. But still, thank you so much for watching and please stay tuned to my upcoming travel vlogs. This time we will go overseas, so abangan nyo yan. Bye guys!